Sir, I would also request the General Administration Department to issue a comprehensive government order to give effect to the assurance that all the recruitment tests of Public Service Commission, state level police recruitment board and various departments also offer the option to applicants to write the test in Urdu, the second official language of the state, sir. ये बहुत जरूरी है कि उर्दू में सारे इम्तिहानात का इनेकाद होगा। इस बात के लिए एक ऑर्डर निकाल कर दे दीजिए। बोला तो जाता है लेकिन अब तक नहीं किया जा। Due to lack of time, it is not possible to comment on the function of ACB, Vigilance and Enforcement Department, Vigilance Commission, Lok Ayukta, MCR, HRD Institute and other organization under GAD, sir. So, anytime later on, I'll go in these subjects. Going further ahead, sir, the fifth demand of Municipal Administration and Urban Development. Honorable Panel Speaker, sir, I compliment the Chief Minister, Mr. Revant Reddy Saab, for the record allocation of rupees 15,533 crores for municipal administration and urban development demands, sir. However, I may add a word of caution also, sir. Sir, in the last financial year, the budgetary allocation for this demand was rupees 11,082 crore, but the actual expenditure was only rupees 3,410.45 crores, working out to 31% of the allocation, page 102 of outcome budget of MAUD, sir. The MANUD department now looks after 142 urban local bodies in the state, including the GHMC as well as the Urban Development Authority and other wings of the MAUD. At the time of formation of Telangana state in June 2014, there were only 52 municipalities and 6 municipal corporations in the state. Today, there are 13 municipal corporations and 129 municipalities spread across the state. Without going into specifics, I would like to confine myself to the broader issue, sir. GHMC, the government issued GO number 761 dated 27/9/2023 MAUD department for SRDP phase 2 proposal for administrative sanction and allocation of funds in budget about rupees 1,217 crores for work proposed to be taken up in Charminar zone, sir. But there is no progress in this work, sir. I know the financial situation of the state, but at least we can initiate the work. No matter if the work takes 3 years or 4 years or 5 years, but we have to start the work. So I submit through you to the government to kindly look into this, sir. Sir, as per procedures, every metro city has allocated common monsoon special funds to take up the repair works of roads, drainage, etc. in emergency. But it is so unfortunate, sir. Continuously I have been demanding, sir. In GHMC, no special funds are allocated to meet the demand of monsoon repair, sir. Sir, पहले बारिश होती थी, धीमी धीमी आहिस्ता आहिस्ता बारिश होती थी, लेकिन अब ऐसा है कि एक साथ मूसलाधार बारिश हो रही है। पहले ट्रैफिक ज्यादा है, बारिश के रोडों पर पानी जमा हो जाने की वजह से ट्रैफिक स्लो हो जा रही है, और जब बारिश रुक जाती है, पानी जमा रहता है, पानी जब हट जाता है, तो उसके बाद में इतने गड्ढे रहते हैं रोड में, तो हमारे पास जीएचएमसी में कोई बजट ही नहीं है मॉनसून के लिए। वो पॉटहोल्स को फिल करने के लिए इमरजेंसी स्क्वाड्स होनी चाहिए, so that there is no traffic jams and the traffic moves smoothly. This hasn't been taken care for all these years, sir, right from the formation of Telangana. I hope that this would be taken care, sir. Sir, and moreover, sir, when I talk about the traffic, sir, the most important thing which we need to understand and know that only road widening, flyovers will not solve the traffic congestion problems. So we need to look into different aspects. The major and most important thing is that here, if we have to see, the public mode of transport is very weak. When I say public mode of transport, that is RTC, that is MMTS, that is metro train. But when we see that, I was really surprised, sir. Before the formation of Telangana state, the Hyderabad city had more than 4,000 buses. More than 4,000 buses. And now today we have less than 2,000 buses. और फिर आप खवातीन के लिए भी फ्री कर दिए हैं. So this is the reason why the cars are increasing, the two-wheelers are increasing, and the traffic is getting jammed. Sir, we need to have a meeting of experts, call some experts, to look into this problem. Sir, मैं कहूंगा